Hello, boys and girls. So, welcome to the grand launch of ACCA course. You heard it right. ACCA course, which is recognized globally, not only in a one country or two country. It is recognized globally, perhaps more than 100 countries. Okay, more than 100 countries, you will be getting the signing power. Right. So, what is ACCA all about? Why are we launching ACCA at MEPL? What different MEPL is going to provide you in the ACCA course? All those details, you are going to get in this video. First of all, what is ACCA? What is ACCA? Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. If you do this course, it is just like the CA course. What CA course is in the is in our country, is in India. That CA course equivalent to CA course is ACCA course, but not in one country, in multiple countries. Okay. So again, you should. It's high time that you should know. Stop comparing about CA, ACCA, etc., because every course has its own value. Every course has its own value. It's just that what interests you, what matters the most to you is your career and your career path. What career path you want to take, and ACCA also is one of the career paths that many students want to take, and so that is why MEPL is bringing ACCA course. And be rest assured, we have the best quality faculties from all over world catering this ACCA course. Okay, so what different are we going to do in ACCA course? What is ACCA course? Entire topic of discussion of this video is going to be this. So first of all, big round of applause for all the faculties who have agreed to be on board with MEPL for this ACCA course. I would first of all take this opportunity to thank each one of the educators who have aligned with the vision of MEPL. Janki ma'am, Manish sir, Satyat sir, Nidhi ma'am, Bhanumati ma'am. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the warm.
Thank you too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So one by one, I would like each one of the educator, each one of the faculty members of ACCA course to introduce themselves. But before that, let me introduce briefly about ACCA to our audiences. Okay, watch the video till very last because all your doubts of ACCA course are going to be catered in this video. So here we go. Yes, let me pin myself. Done. So as you can see, we have made a complete brochure on ACCA course. Now this brochure is self-explanatory regarding ACCA course, the future prospects of ACCA course, the steps involved in ACCA course. Okay, you can download this brochure from our website www.meplclasses.com. You can download it from www.meplclasses.com. It's free of cost. Now, boys and girls, let me take you guys through this ACCA course. Now, as you know, today is a world of globalization, and not only the goods are mobile, we as professionals also should be mobile, right? Just imagine yourself working from Calcutta, working from any part of India for the multinational company, right? Yes, it is possible nowadays. If you qualify the ACCA course, you can work not only abroad, but you can also work for the foreign companies and for the foreign countries right here sitting in India. Okay, this is also a possibility. And obviously, those who want to go out of India for their work opportunities, this is the best course for them. And if you do not want to go out of India, then also you will be having multiple opportunities, many opportunities if you do this ACCA, because nowadays it's a world of globalization, as you know, and you have to be globally mobile. So it's what we call global mobility. All industries need finance professionals, obviously. So ACCA will make you a thorough finance and accounting professional, right? And listen, when you choose to study with ACCA, you choose a future full of opportunities. We are, right, this is the wording of ACCA. They are the world's largest accounting body with more than 233,000 members and 5 lakh students in 179 countries. I told you that more than 100 countries you will be having the signing power, right? 115 years of this course existence. So think ahead. And yes, obviously, MEPL is a silver learning partner because we have just, we are at a very nascent stage. We have just launched ACCA, but our team of faculties are having multiple years of experiences, and we are not going to leave any stone unturned in making you ACCA. Right. And to, top it up, we are also licensed ACCA CBE center, which means that you can give your ACCA exam from MEPL Center. Yes, we are also licensed ACCA CBE Center and Silver Learning Partner. Now, what are the levels involved in ACCA? This much knowledge you should be having that, just like traditional courses like CA, CS, CMA, we also have ACCA course, and ACCA course is going to contain accounts and finance knowledge, law knowledge, taxation knowledge. So there are in total, let me tell you, there are in total 3 stages involved in ACCA. There are in total 3 stages involved in ACCA, right? Now, what are those 3 stages involved in ACCA? First stage is called knowledge level, right? Just like foundation, intermediate, and final, there are 3 stages in ACCA. The first stage is called knowledge level. The second stage is called skill level, and the last stage is called professional level. So we have knowledge level, just like foundation. We have skill level, just like intermediate, and the final level is professional level over here. Now, in knowledge level, you just have to clear total 3 papers. Only 3 papers are there. You just have to clear these 3 papers, and you will clear your knowledge level. And you know what good thing is about these levels? Whenever you clear a particular level, you get some kind of certification. You get some kind of recognition. You get some kind of, certification. It's not that you will clear professional level, then only you will be getting some kind of certification. It's not like that. Once you clear knowledge level, you will be getting some kind of certification. After skill level, another certification. And after professional level, obviously, you will be getting the ACCA degree. So, in knowledge level, there are 3 papers. One is called business and technology. Another one is called management accounting. Another one is called financial accounting. Very easy papers are there. Business and technology. Another one is management accounting. Another one is financial accounting. Now, these 3 papers, you don't have to wait for the institute to conduct your exam. You will tell the institute. When you want to give the exam, you will have to tell the institute. Once you are ready, sir, what you are saying, sir, we'll tell the institute when to take the exam. Yes, exactly. It is an on-demand exam. I repeat, it is an on-demand exam, can be taken anytime at licensed CBA centers. And we are the licensed CBA centers, by the way. You just have to tell us that when you want to take the exams, and we'll be scheduling a date of exam for you guys. And another thing, these examinations have to be given one by one. You can give this examination one by one, which means once you prepare business and technology, you can give the exam of business and technology on demand. When you demand, your exams will be conducted. Once you are clear with business technology, then you start studying management accounting and give exam accordingly, and then you start studying financial accounting and give exam accordingly. Once you clear your knowledge level, you go to skill level, and skill level, you get total 6 papers. Right? And these 6 papers, again, one paper is corporate and business law. It is again on-demand paper. Once you are thorough with your preparation, you can demand the examination and it will take place. But rest papers, boys and girls, the rest 5 papers are scheduled examination. They are not on-demand examination. They are scheduled examination, which are scheduled on March, June, September, and December. So, which means 4 times a year, these examinations will take place. And again, you need not give. There is no kind of, grouping system going on over here. You can give the examination as per your own pace, right? You can give 2 exams. You can give 1 paper exam as per your own pace. You can decide how many papers you want to sit for particular examination. We got it, sir. We got it. So this is the beauty. This is the beauty of this course, that there is no group wise system. You can take the exams as per your own preparation. You can clear 1 exam at a time. Normally, what people do is they clear knowledge level very fast. In a quarter, in 3 months preparation, they clear knowledge level. And in 1 year, they clear skill level. And in another year or 6 months, they clear the professional level. So it is quite possible that you can complete the entire course in just 2 years. In just 2 years, you can complete the entire course. Now, professional level, total 4 papers will be there. Okay, professional level, final level, total 4 papers will be there. And it will be the scheduled examinations. You can give 1 exam at a time also, or 2 exams at a time also. Right. Now, out of these 4 papers, 2 papers are compulsory. These 2 papers are compulsory. I'm not going into the, names of the subjects, because ultimately, these names of the subjects are not going to matter unless you are in that level. Okay. So these 2 papers are mandatory, and then total 4 papers are there. If the 2 papers are mandatory, then obviously only 2 papers are remaining, and you have to choose out of the 4 papers any of the 2 papers that you want to prepare. Right. And at last, some, training sessions will be there, and obviously then you get the degree of ACCA. So it's a very easy going course. First knowledge level, 3 papers, then skill level, 6 papers, then professional level, 4 papers. So in total, there are 13 papers that you need to crack. The moment you crack 13 papers, you will be given the degree of ACCA after the other requirements. Okay. Right. See, now I was talking about the certifications that you're going to get after qualifying each level. If you clear 3 papers, you get diploma certificate from ACCA. Right. Knowledge level ke baad, you will be getting diploma certificate from ACCA, which is also, very useful. And industries also recruit these certified professionals. And after clearing the skill level 6 papers, you will be getting advanced diploma certificate. And finally, after the professional level, you are ACCA affiliate. Right. Now, you can start ACCA course just after your class 10 or class 12, which means like science students, they start their preparation from class 11 onwards only. You can also start your ACCA preparation from class 11 onwards only. Right. And after class 12, obviously, after class 12 also you can start. If after class 10 you can start, obviously you can start after class 12. 13 papers you'll have to give. Okay. And trust me, if you are serious, the passing percentage is very high. And the passing percentage, our faculties will be telling, they'll approximately it is 50%. Right. So the passing percentage is very high. Now, after BCom, if you are a qualified graduate, you have completed your graduation, then only 9 papers will be there. Instead of 13 papers, only 9 papers you'll have. Okay. There are exemptions available. 4 papers you don't have to. Similarly, if you have completed your CA Inter or CA IPCC, you only have to give 5 exemptions you will be. Total 13 papers, you will be getting 5 exemptions. You will have to appear 8 exams only. Now, if you have completed your BCom also and CA Inter both, only 7 papers you'll have to give. If you have completed your CMA India, only 6 exams. If you have completed your CA course, only 4 exams you will have to give. Right. Right. So this is everything about, ACCA and degrees along the way we have already discussed. Why should you choose MEPL? Why should you choose MEPL? That I'm going to tell. Jobs, what are the job opportunities that our educators will tell? But why should you join MEPL? Okay. Let me tell you why should you join ACCA at MEPL. Because you are going to get the best quality education that we believe. Our motto is to give best quality education at the most affordable price. Right. We are ACCA approved learning partners, as already told you. Okay. We are going to follow Kaplan Professional Education, which means international books will be made available to you. Apart from, live at home lecture, we'll be streaming 100% live classes. Apart from live at home lectures, you will be getting recorded lectures also. Which means if you miss out on your live at home session, you are going to get the recordings and unlimited views will be given. Recording with unlimited views. You can watch as many times as you want. 100% placement assistance will be there. Okay. And we are approved CBE center also, which means on-demand exams can be conducted by us. Then ACCA pass guaranteed program is also there. Then expert faculty is there for each paper. Right. We have expert faculty for each paper. In ACCA course, we are having 8 faculties, and trust me, those 8 faculties are having tons of experience and they are specialized faculties of this course. Scholarship will also be given for the potential students. Multiple mock exams will be there, which lot of coaching centers who are giving ACCA might be missing on. So we are going to fill up those gaps. Multiple mock exams will be there. Practical questions training will be there. Study anytime, anywhere. Live online lectures will be there. It is for ACCA by the ACCAs. Best in-house team comprising of quality educators from across the globe. Doubt clearing session will be held regularly. Learn with fun, and no cost EMI will also be provided by us. Okay. So these are the reasons why you should join MEPL for the ACCA course. Right. Now, sir, what are the tuition fees and all? We have kept the tuition fees at the minimum lowest possible level. For example, the first level, that is knowledge level. The first level is knowledge level. In fact, those students who have given just, their foundation exams, CA foundation or CSAT or CMA foundation or class 12 exams, they should, appear the knowledge level, and we will make sure that within 2.5 months, you complete your knowledge level. Within 2.5 months, you will be clearing your knowledge level. All 3 knowledge level, as I've said, only 3 papers are there: business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. So only these 3 papers are there. Tuition fees, that is our coaching fees, and registration fees, that is the registration fees that you are going to pay to ACCA, is included in this fees itself, and it is only 25,500. Only 25,500 you need to pay us, and all your coaching will be taken care by us. Your registration fees that you have to pay to ACCA will be taken care of. That also you don't have to pay registration fees to ACCA Institute separately. We will be taking care about that. Individual paper, there is no point, but still there is an individual paper available at 10,000 rupees each. But I would urge you to that. I will urge each one of you to go for all the 3 papers tuition fees and registration fees combo. That is 25,500. It is exclusive of GST. It is exclusive of GST. GST is extra, right? Apart from that, there is a 30 pound initial registration fees that will be taken care by us. You don't have to worry about. Okay. Yes, there is examination fees also, and examination fees for knowledge level is approximately exactly 100 pound, and if you convert it, it approximately comes to INR 9,000 to 10,000 per. For 3 papers, approximately the examination fees is going to be somewhere around between 25K to 30K. If you combine everything, the tuition fees and the examination fees, still you will be finding that somehow it is coming only to somewhere between 50K to 60K, which is quite manageable, because ultimately in other courses also like CA Foundation also, if you compare the registration fees and the coaching fees, the tuition fees, approximately it comes to that amount itself, right? Then skill level and then professional level. Skill level and professional level courses also we are starting simultaneously. So knowledge level, skill level, professional level, all the courses will be started simultaneously. Okay. And the fees that we are taking, obviously it excludes exemption fees that we have already told you, and annual subscription fees and GST. Right. So it's the time for me to introduce our world-class faculties one by one. And let me take this opportunity to introduce all the world-class faculties one by one. First of all, I would request Janki ma'am to introduce herself and briefly also, tell about ACCA course. Janki ma'am, over to you.
Hello, Mohit sir, and hello everyone who's watching MEPL classes live launch today. I am very elated to be a part of this amazing classes, and it's being new in terms of ACCA with such a good background in CA and CS has got a real good edge for MEPL classes. So congratulations to you for that. Coming back to me, my name is Janki J. Panchal. I am a fellow member with ACCA. I have finished my ACCA back in 2008, back in London. And I finished my ACCA and my MBA from UK itself. After that, I came back to India in 2010. I have been teaching ACCA from 2014 onwards in India itself under my private head. I am a head of education for ICPA. I mentor with Oxford University for the Oxford Brookes University course of BSc in Applied Accounting, which is a collaboration course with ACCA also. I teach ACCA all subjects. I also teach DIPA FRS and CFA, and I'm very, very happy to be a part of MEPL classes. Thank you so much to have me on board.
Amazing, amazing. Your qualifications are making me jealous, Janki ma'am. Amazing.
Not at all, sir.
And first, let me introduce other faculties also. Then you can,
Sure, sir.
briefly tell about the ACCA course to the student. Yes, Nidhi ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Hi, everyone. My name is Nidhi, and I'm a US CMA qualified. So I cleared back in 2019, and ever since I've been teaching. So I've trained around 1,000 plus students, the skill level paper that is financial management, and I'm looking forward to kickstart the FM batch with MEPL. So thank you for the opportunity.
Amazing, amazing, Nidhi ma'am. Truly honored that you are in our team.
Thank you so much.
Manish sir, over to you, sir.
Hello, sir. Thank you. Thank you for onboarding me for such a great team. So my name is Manish Agarwal. So I'm a qualified chartered accountant. After completion my chartered accountancy, I have completed my MBA and then deployed my IFRS from ACC London. So I'm teaching CA and CS since last 10 years, and teaching ACCA since last 5 years. So I'm teaching in ACCA FM, AFM, and SBR and FR. But I am teaching in MEPL for classes for the FR and SBR only. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So nice of you that you are in our team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Bhanumati ma'am, over to you, ma'am.
Hello, sir. My name is Banamati, and I have completed my ACCA. And I've also completed Bachelor's in Commerce from Stella Maris, Chennai. So after that, I got into management consulting. I was into consulting for about 3 years or so. And then I found my passion in teaching. And I ventured into teaching. And for the past 3 years, I've been teaching ACCA students and other college students with great passion. And it seems to give a lot of satisfaction, compared to other profession. So really delighted to have associated with MEPL. And I'm really happy to say that, you seem to be a very dedicated set of, team. And I've heard a lot about MEPL and I've read a lot about MEPL. So it's absolute pleasure to have associated myself with you all. I will be teaching my papers of expertise. So I'll be handling management accounting and UK taxation to begin with. And thank you so much for the opportunity and wish MEPL a great success.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Honor to have you on the board.
Thank you.
Satyat, sir, over to you, sir.
Hi everyone. It's so good to see you all. And Mohit sir, thank you so much for this opportunity. So my name is Satyarth Prakash Trivedi. I'm an ACCA member. I'm also a qualified lawyer. And I've been teaching from the past 8 years. And I'm an ex-PWC. So I worked there for 4 years. And prior to coming to full-time L&D, I was a deputy manager at a New York listed company. So yeah, that's my experience. I've had rank holders. And I'm expecting you all, whosoever is watching, that you will join us and you will score ranks very, very soon. So that's it about me. And thank you so much, everyone, for having me on board.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Expecting a lot of rankers from, our student base of ACCA. Perfect. So now over to Janki, ma'am. Before I show the routine of the classes to students, over to Janki, ma'am, if you could add something to enlighten the students about ACCA course.
Right. So Mohit sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I hope I'm audible. Yes, I am. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to, give enlightenment to what ACCA course is. But while you are doing it, you have done a wonderful job of explaining it very well. I wanted to focus more on the job opportunities. So it would be great if you can go back to the
Sure. I'm
brochure.
Yeah.
The brochure. Yes, please. Can you go to the page where the subjects are? You missed that page. Go on the subjects, please. The levels.
Subjects. The subjects.
Yes, the subjects and the
Okay.
levels. Yes, perfect. Yes. So yes. Right. Yeah, you need to scroll a little up so all the subjects can be seen in one screen.
Just a sec. Yeah, it's visible.
Financial management is still not visible, which is in.
I'll scroll it down. As you speak,
Okay,
I'll
perfect.
scroll it down.
Okay, perfect. Okay, fine. So as we talk about job opportunities, I mean, this is the last thing which everybody wants to do after learning a particular course or after spending a lot of time and money on anything that you do in your life. What you aim is to get a decent role. And I get too many students asking, ma'am, what is the opportunity after ACCA? So if we look closely onto the papers that you are giving in ACCA, it is a beautiful combination of almost everything that comes under commerce stream, right? So we talk about management, we talk about costing, we talk about reporting or, the finalization of accounts, auditing, taxation, everything is just under one roof, right? So ACCA gives you an opportunity to learn everything in a world-class recognized association. So if you see here, you've got business technology, which is directly related to strategic business leadership. And these two are beautiful courses that are designed very similar to what I did in my MBA. So since, I'm an MBA pass out from Liverpool John Moores University, I have got a lot of background of business plus the background of ACC, obviously, because I've done both of them closely. These is a beautiful combination of both of them together. When we talk about management accounting with performance management and advanced performance management, this is a beautiful combination of the costing. If anybody wants to make their career in costing, this is the subjects for you. I mean, you don't have to look for any third course once you finish this course. Going to financial accounts, financial reporting, SBR, strategic business reporting. They all are into finalization of accounts, right from the start of how to make journal entries to the end of how to analyze a finalization. Everything is in this pot. Law is a standalone subject, but yes, obviously, when you work in any country, you need to know the law, and there are various law variants available. In India, the law variants available are global and English. They have got taxation, which is taxation and advanced taxation. In India, we are only eligible to give the UK taxation. Audit and Assurance is an international course or an international version, which you have audit and advanced audit assurance. And financial management is a super course that is amalgamating all the financial analysis, or anyone who wants to be a future financial analyst. This is a beautiful course for them. So all in all the subjects that we have in ACCA, they are going to help you in anything that you want to do in commerce. Secondly, ACCA has got tie-up with two very, very beautiful universities. Can we go to that page, please? That is where they have a tie-up with Oxford Brookes University and University of London. Yes, that's the one. Yes. So basically, there are two very dignified universities which are well known for around the globe. One is Oxford Brookes University, which is also a streamlined commerce university from Oxford University itself, and University of London. So ACCA has got a tie-up, you could say, with both of them. Once you finish 9 papers of ACCA, you are eligible to apply for Oxford Brookes University's BSc in Applied Accounting, where students would be able to present a dissertation or a report, as we call it. And if that is approved, they directly get a degree of BSc in Applied Accounting. They don't have to go through any examinations. Okay, that is the beauty of the collab between ACCA and Oxford Brookes. Secondly, when you finish the whole of ACCA, University of London gives you a beautiful opportunity to get a professional accounting degree with them, which is also equivalent of you giving exams there. So, these two are dignified universities that are recognized around the globe. And if they think that ACCA course is a wholesome course enough for getting a degree with their prestigious universities, ACCA has got a lot of input into it. Right. So that is about what kind of variants you have in terms of getting into the course. Let's come back to what kind of job opportunities, or where can you get the job opportunities. So Mohit sir, can we go to the job opportunities page where you have a list of the companies that take ACCAs on board? Thank you. So obviously, I mean, I could say this is just like this is just like 5% of the companies that are accepting ACCAs, and obviously, because this is a brochure, it can take the big ones on board. But honestly speaking, since I'm in this business from teaching is my passion, honestly, and I've been very closely related to ACCA back from 2004, and from teaching in 2014 and onwards, I have realized that the companies in India are becoming a lot more aware of how ACCA is taken up here. So, even mid-cap companies, small companies, or large companies, obviously, they all are accepting ACCAs, and the pay packages are at par as any other course that is running around in India also. So job opportunities are definitely there. The type of variant you want to pick up in commerce, as in, taxation, audit, financial analyst, starting up your own business, going into costing, you name it, and you have it with ACCA. So all in all, this is a wholesome package of your education in a time period which is achievable. So students, as you know, some students or some there is a crowd of people who are very dedicated to finishing ACCA. So while they're doing the graduation, the ACCA finishes along with it. So for example, if I'm a student who started after 12th standard, I would be able to finish my graduation. I would be able to finish my ACCA, get my University of London degree, get my OBU, Oxford Brookes University degree. And, by the age of 21 or 22, I'm in the market ready to get onto my future. Right. So this is the beauty of ACCA. I think I have handled most of the questions which students might have in mind. Sir, over to you.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Janki ma'am, for, amazingly explaining the prospects of ACCA course and clearing the myths that most of the students or most of the new joinees might be having in their mind, that whether the pay is up to the mark or not, or the efforts are commensurating with the pay packages or not, and are there sufficient opportunities available in the world or not. Absolutely, especially in India also. So the opportunities are global, which does not exclude India. India is also a part of the global forum itself.
110%, sir, because India has got most of the MNCs. Now, if
Absolutely.
you see, we are a financial hub. Okay, and the way India is progressing right now, you are going to see it developed in some years, and inculcating international market into India is going to grow them. And of course, when there is international market and being ACCA approved in 179 countries, you are going to get an edge with ACCA, because you're going to be at par with the IFRS standards, which is International Financial Reporting Standards, which can help you finalize the books of accounts sitting at the convenience of India. So definitely, definitely, sir.
The number is mind-boggling. 179 countries, you are getting signing power. It's not a matter of joke at all.
For sure, sir.
In fact, can I pitch in, sir?
Yeah, absolutely, sir. Please go ahead.
In fact, I was at this conference with ACCA today, and there was someone from Outbooks. So Outbooks is a outsourcing company. So we were talking about employability, and he said that the only problem is you guys are not sending the CVs. So send us the CV and we're going to hire them.
My God.
So that's the kind of response employers are ready to give to ACCAs.
So there's a shortage of supply side of the ACCA. The demand side is right there. Absolutely. So let us now discuss the routine and the timetable about the ACCA course. First one, the knowledge level. We are starting from 27th of December. Knowledge level, I would again urge, go for all the 3 papers. You are having the best faculties, okay, to train you. Dipen sir is, our faculty for business and technology. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it today with us, because he had some prior commitments. So Dipen sir is going to take part of business and technology. Bhanumati ma'am, you have already met her in this video. She is going to take care of the management accounting part. And Aditi ma'am also, she couldn't make it today, but because of some prior commitments, but she is very well there for your financial accounting preparation. So these 3 wonderful educators are going to make sure that you clear your knowledge level. And our batch is starting from 27th of December. And for those students who are wondering and who are having further queries, do get in touch with us by filling the Google form, the link of which is given in the description box as well as the comment box. Don't feel shy. Okay. Same applies for the skill level and the professional level. For the skill level, we are going to start the first paper, corporate and business law, from 27th of December. Aditi ma'am is going to take care about it. Performance management paper, Janki ma'am. Taxation by Satyat sir. The dates are given. Financial reporting by Manish sir. Audit assurance by Janki ma'am again. Financial management by Nidhi ma'am. Right. So we are launching it from 27th. We have launched it right now. Now the batches are going to commence from 27th of December. Make sure that prior registration is done well in time. Sir, which books are you going to follow? We are going to follow the Kaplan books. Obviously, those books will also be given to you. The access of those books will also be given to you guys. And if you do not want the access of the books, we also have another subscription plan, which is without books. Obviously, the fees will be less in that plan. You can surf our website, www.meplclasses.com, and just tap on the international courses to find out more about the fees and all. Right. And then at the professional level, again, from 27th of January, different batches are starting for different subjects, which will be taken by our expert team of faculty. So you can see that we are having expertise. So everything is set. You just have to now register with MEPL classes. Okay. The date, the faculties, all are very, everything is set, and all the faculties are very excited to welcome you guys on board with the ACCA course. And trust me, if you choose ACCA course, then MEPL will be the only, I should not say only option, but MEPL will be truly one of the best options that you choose for your ACCA learning partner. Okay. And you can visit the website and book. In case you have any queries, do fill in the Google form so that our executives get in touch with you guys, and they'll be more than happy to clear all your queries and all. Okay. And constantly we'll be having webinars also, wherein the various expert faculties will be taking up one-on-one sessions with you guys so that you can address your queries and get it solved by the respected faculty. So that is it for today. Just let me quickly show you the MEPL website once. You just have to log into www.meplclasses.com. And in meplclasses.com, you just have to click on course, and in courses, you have to click international courses. Once you click international courses, you will be getting two options, ACCA and CFA. Right now, we are talking about ACCA, so you click on ACCA. Once you click on ACCA, again, the subcategory, knowledge level, skill level, professional level, whichever level you want tuitions of, please click on that. Knowledge level, skill level, professional level. So for example, you click knowledge level, and in knowledge level, you can see that all 3 papers combo is there. All 3 papers combo is there. And mind it, it also includes your registration fees of ACCA Institute. You don't have to pay for registration fees. We'll be paying it for you. So all your tuition fees and registration fees will be taken care by us. This is including GST. This is including GST. And the icing on the cake is that right now, currently we are running an offer. And if you make use of that offer, if you apply the promo code is child or MEPL 11. Just check which of the 2 promo codes are currently working, child or MEPL 11. You are going to get huge discount over and above this price, right? So what is the difference between these products? All the 4 products you will be seeing, all the 4 products are having all paper combo. Now, the first 2 products you are seeing ebooks, which means books will also be provided by us, which will be obviously of the Kaplan Institute. And the remaining 2 combos are without book. I would prefer that you opt for with books. And what is the difference between the first 2 options? One is that the recorded lectures you can watch on mobile. The another one is the recorded lectures you can watch on laptop. Obviously, in both these courses, you will be getting live at home access also. In case you miss out on live at home, then you can watch the recordings on your mobile or on your laptop, depending on the product that you select. Similarly, the other 2 products are without books, and one is with laptop and one is with mobile phone. So this is it. Similarly, you can, if you are in the skill level or professional level, you can surf the courses on your own. So just do not delay. Just book the classes right now, because, there is a limited capacity available for the live at home classes. There is a limited capacity available for the live at home classes. So if you do not want to miss the opportunity of doing live at home classes of ACCA, book it as soon as possible. Do get in touch with our executives by filling up the Google form so that our executives can clear queries. And a lot of webinars are coming your way wherein you can get your doubts and queries related to ACCA course solved by the team of esteemed faculties, right? That's it from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you all the educators for taking our time and enlightening the students, and we'll make it very big. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Again, thank you.